Introducing Kasa Wireless. Adjust your lights with a remote control. In this video, we'll show you how to add a new point of control to any wall surface with no cutting or wiring using the Pico remote control. We'll cover marking the wall location, attaching the Pico remote control to the wall plate bracket, and finally, mounting the wall plate bracket to the wall. Let's get started. If you want to add a new wall control for your lights, you can easily mount the Pico remote control on any wall surface using the wall plate bracket. You'll need the wall plate bracket, anchors and screws that came with the bracket, a Phillips head screwdriver, pencil, and a drill with a 3/16 or 5mm bit. First, remove the plastic cover plate from the wall plate bracket by pressing on the release tabs with a screwdriver. Position the wall plate bracket on the wall where you want to mount it. Then, mark the locations on the wall where you'll need to drill holes for the wall plate bracket screws. The screws go into the oval holes on the wall plate bracket. Set the bracket aside and drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Insert the anchors into the holes. Next, remove the plastic insert from the back of the Pico remote control and slide the Pico remote control onto the bracket. Position the wall plate bracket over the anchors. Then screw the bracket to the wall using the screws provided. To mount a Clara wall plate, first, separate the front panel of the wall plate from its adapter. Place the Clara wall plate adapter over the Pico remote control and fasten the Clara wall plate adapter to the Pico wall plate bracket by tightening the screws included with the Clara wall plate. Then, snap the front panel of the wall plate into place. And that's it. Now you have an additional point of control for your lights. You can pair this Pico remote control with any lights you're already controlling with a Kasa wireless dimmer.